I'm on my way to the Froyo Meats, Ambitious Whips. Left out a little late, but man, let me, if you can see it. I'm about to go troll really quick. They go call me Big T-shirt girl probably.
Big T-shirt girl.
Hey, see, I told y'all he was gonna do that shit. Like, what's up? Hey.
Oh, you got a squirrel.
Finally, I know, right? Huh?
So told y'all I was gonna do a long trick.
Long trick. Oh, I didn't get to start it. God damn it.
What?
I didn't get to start up.
You didn't? Oh, you want to get it?
Come on, I don't want.
Like, you want to get it?
Yeah,
I'll turn it back on for you if you want. Go ahead, get a good video.
She's a nice girl here so far.
Yes, this is my girlfriend, Sydney.
I met her once.
Sydney, this is long trip.
Long trip. TR, don't listen to me. It's crazy.
Alright, here, go ahead. Capture that video.
Capture that video.
You want me to rev it too? Yeah.
You said 301 did it, right?
Yes.
There you go.
301 garage. Another focus.
I'm trying to go somewhere else. Sparkles. But it's not the same. No. Oh, no. It's not the same guy.
Yeah, that makes sense now. Okay.
You talking about you 86 like the napkin?
Hater.
El seguro así le va a hacer, que para arriba va.
Es cierto, hermano. ¿Y qué dijo el vato que estaba?
De este lado soy.
Sí, de este lado
Los
no.
pelos le ando buscando.
Ya le di pija a un venado. Solo bajarlo, que falta el tractor.
So literally when the sun hit that bitch, there's reflecting shit all over it. I don't understand how someone drives with that.
Te voy a enfocar un turbo aquí. Yo me estoy quedando así.
Me fui a zampar un carro, man.
No, pero esta vez que fuimos demasiado temprano empezamos. Oh, pero es que íbamos desde el lado. No, pero es que tomamos que sí que ¿Quién dura más celebrar el casamiento de aquel?
Oh, you know it's Honda gang, gang, gang.
No doubt. Come on now. And it's crazy dirty.
Oh, that's still a Honda. This is 09, 010? 11? Oh, that's. Oh, yeah, because they started making this body style in 13, right? Well, 12. Yeah. Ah, nice. What? Oh, it wasn't you. Oh, I'm sorry. Where the hell is Sparkles? No.
Like it shook so damn much, the alternator bracket broke.
Sparkles left. It's the same car from like the JBM meet. I just never seen it in the dark. It's just fucking nice. This dude's stupid as shit. Oh shit, where the f— I didn't even fucking see them. They were like over there this whole fucking time. Say Redskins. I'm just trying to figure out what the f is he doing. He's like revving and shit. Look it, watch it, watch it.
Like I ripped my soft top off.
Hey,
Hey, how are you?
hey, what's up?
Name again?
TR.
TR. Juan.
I'm gonna forget like 2 seconds. I'm like really bad with
Just think of
names.
the basis of every Mexican joke. Juan.
Yo, just got in from the meet. I think this new dude is gonna be like with ambitious whips. I like him. Dude is fucking cool as shit. But dude was fucking cool as shit. He has like a white Mazda. I didn't vlog him because like I didn't know him like that. So yeah, I want to learn Spanish, dude. I do want to learn Spanish. But anyway, had a great time. Other than that.
So much much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.